Hey Henna Guys Fam, this is Henna, one of the co-founders of the Henna Guys. Hope all is well. Today in our video, we're going to be talking about basic tools that you need for dyeing any hair, henna hair colors, regular hair dyes, any of that spec, just the basic needs that you would recommend. So the first thing you would need is obviously a bowl. I would say a good decent size. There's other ones that are out there that are smaller, but I think this would be just the right size that you would need. The next item that you definitely need to invest in is alligator clips. Some comes with 4 if you need more. There's more you can buy in packages. The next is ear covers. Now, I know, especially if you do it at your own home, it's kind of hard to avoid your ears. So these will be helpful. If you can just slip it right on, and that will help avoid to color any part of your ear. The next item you would need is application brush. So depending on your hair type, how long your hair is, it thick? There's 3 types that I do recommend. This would be the one that you can use for all over your hair, especially if you have coarser hair. And this smaller brush I would recommend to use if you have baby hair, fine hair. And so this application brush is universal, but the great thing with this is that it comes with combs. If you have any excess hair color, you can use this to take it out. And the great things with these application brushes is the pointy tip is to help partition your hair when you're doing applications step by step. The next one, which is very helpful, it's not necessarily that you really need it, but it does help mix the hair colors. So it doesn't matter if it's henna or just a regular over-the-counter box dye, this will help. The next item is reusable gloves. I think this is the most important that you need from all, is because usually any hair dye, they come with gloves, but they come just with generic ones, like the very thin kind, and usually that it tends to rip off. So having these sort of gloves and reusable, it will be an awesome addition. The next item I would definitely recommend is a reusable shower cap, and because you can use the ones that you use for one time, but then you're doing wastage. And then also not just that, but not just for hair dyes you need this. You probably just need it just to do any hair masks or just to cover your hair. I mean, this is very good just to put it in the shower as well. And the last item I recommend is the hair dye cape. Now, if you just wrap it around and bring your hair out, this will help eliminate coloring any t-shirts or any clothes you don't want to get stained. This will help a lot. We hope you liked our tools suggestion to help dye your hair at home. These were some of the tools. There's other tools that you can use. Like, comment on what you want to see next, and subscribe.